Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Gather ingredients first so cooking flows. 8 oz fettuccine, 12 oz salmon fillet, 1/2 cup grated parmesan, 1 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoon butter, 2 garlic cloves, salt and pepper, and 1 tablespoon olive oil. Pat the salmon dry, season with salt and pepper, and let it rest 10 minutes while you bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Mince garlic, measure cheese and cream, and have a spatula and tongs ready for the pan. Start the pasta when the pot boils. Cook 8–10 minutes until al dente, then reserve 1 cup pasta water and drain. Meanwhile, heat a skillet to medium-high, add 1 tablespoon olive oil and 1 tablespoon butter, and sear the seasoned 12 oz salmon skin side down for 3–4 minutes. Flip and cook another 3–4 minutes until internal temperature reaches 125 to 130 degrees F for medium. Remove salmon to rest 5. Use the same skillet on medium heat. Melt 2 tablespoon butter. Add minced garlic, cook 30 seconds, then pour 1 cup heavy cream and bring to a gentle simmer. Whisk in 1/2 cup grated parmesan until smooth, simmer about 5 minutes to thicken, and adjust with reserved pasta water to reach a silky consistency. Add drained 8 oz fettuccine and flaked salmon, toss gently to coat, finish with 1 tsb lemon juice, chopped parsley, and serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.